If you are confused between buying a flagship or saving money and buying a cheaper version that can give you flagship level output, then wait and watch this video before deciding anything, because I have with me the Google Pixel 10a. I am your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. In the standard or Pro model, the camera module is bigger and thicker, but in the new Pixel 10a, the camera module is seamless and sits more cleanly on the back. The phone retains the same overall design, giving it a premium look. Pixel 10a is ergonomic to use. You can hold it and use it for hours without any issue, but because of the flat design, there is a drawback. The camera module does not have any ring to protect the glass, so there is high chance that it may get scratches very soon. The back attracts some smudges, but you can clean them easily. The Pixel 10a comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate. The display is flat and minimal, keeping up with the current trend, but the bezels around the screen are quite thick. Keeping that aside, the display is bright enough to enjoy content outdoors, and the screen is punchy with well-balanced contrast. I watched many anime and sci-fi shows on it, and the overall experience was quite satisfying. The haptics are fun, and even the fingerprint sensor is quick and reliable. Google Pixel 10a comes with the same Tensor G4 chipset that was used in Pixel 9a, and even the RAM and storage specifications are the same. We have tested this phone and all the results are visible on your screen. In Antutu benchmark, it scored 15 lakh, which is decent. We have played many games on it like BGMI, Asphalt and Subway Surfer City. While playing Subway Surfer City, the device performed really well. There was no lagging or heating, and I played many rounds. But while playing BGMI at the highest graphics settings, the device starts to warm up within 30 to 45 minutes of gaming. But it manages to pull through. Then I switched to balanced graphics setting and the gameplay improved. The device still heats up, but it takes a bit longer. While playing Asphalt, the graphics and animations are smooth, but yes, the device still heats up quickly. General scrolling and multitasking are smooth, you won't notice any lag. Even while using many apps at the same time, this phone does not struggle, and I enjoyed the overall experience. This phone comes with Android 16 out of the box with many useful features, but some of them are missing, like Magic Q, Auto Unblur and Action Pan, which are available on the standard Pixel 10. However, you still get up to 7 years of OS update, which is good. Pixel 10a comes with a dual rear camera setup of a 48MP primary and a 13MP ultra-wide lens. There is absolutely no change in the camera department. The sensors are same as the Pixel 9a. The pictures from the main lens are detailed with natural color and good dynamic range. Even the texture and finer details are clear in daylight. This phone does not have a telephoto lens, but you can still go up to a 2x zoom preset, giving you fine details with natural colors. In low light, the main camera can click crisp images with almost no noise, giving you good dynamic range. Moving on, let's talk about the selfie camera. This phone is equipped with a 13MP selfie camera. In daylight, the selfie results are detailed with natural skin tones, and even in tricky situations, it balances the dynamic range properly. But if you click a picture in low light, then you will notice that some details are lost. Portraits from both the rear and front cameras are crisp and clear with nice edge detection and a natural bokeh effect. And you can notice that it also balances the dynamic range while maintaining overall color saturation. This phone can record videos up to 4K 60fps from the rear camera and 4K 30fps from the front camera. The video shot in daylight comes with good stability while maintaining the dynamic range. In low light, the result is mostly fine, but there is some noise in the footage. The Pixel 10a comes with a 5100 mAh battery with no charger given in the box. This phone lasts almost a full day for casual users who only use their phone for binge watching and calling. But someone like me who plays a lot of games and does heavy multitasking might need to charge this again by the evening. And also, this phone supports 30W wired charging and 10W wireless charging. The Pixel 10a is priced at 49,999. This phone comes with a good display, decent performance and a reliable camera. But the 10a has the same processor, the same camera, the same battery and almost the same design language as the Pixel 9a. And you can buy the Pixel 9a at a lower price of around 40,000 with almost the same look and the same level of performance. So what do you think? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe to Gadgets 360 for more such videos.